Rain, hail, wind, fire, even hurricanes. James Hardie exterior siding delivers an unmatched level of durability and peace of mind. James Hardie is a revolutionary siding product that combines the warmth and character of wood with the strength of brick, while offering a multitude of design options not available with any other siding product.
There's no question about it. It has to be more innovative. It has to be a low maintenance product. It has to be a better product design. It has to be more curb friendly. It's got to have the appearance over the lifetime, the longevity of that product. We feel like Hardie Plank allows that. It's low maintenance. It doesn't deteriorate like the woods. The bricks are more restricted as far as applications of use. What we're experiencing is the buyers are looking for a home to live in, not a house. And I think that's the greatest thing about Hardie Plank.
Vinyl, no disrespect for them, but I'm sorry, it just still looks to me, even high-end homes with the better vinyl sidings still look like a house sided in plastic. I can pick them out a mile away. My wife, who's not an architect, notices that stuff. I know people notice it. I just think they look cheap. And that's personal, but I know it's not just me.
Now, vinyl siding is not a very desirable product in many areas because of its appearance, because of its durability or lack thereof, and the fact that it can burn, is easily damaged by impacts, and does contain a lot of chemicals. And so, in comparison, the lap siding type products from James Hardie don't have those issues.